Lace cookies, delicate, sweet, crispy. You can make into a sandwich. You have chocolate in the middle. It's caramely flavored. Easy to make. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. You'll need a medium-sized saucepan. Put it on medium heat. We're going to take a 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, and 1/4 cup of honey. Okay, just get this melting. Stir constantly. Okay, it's all melted. We're going to keep stirring and bring it to a boil. And then once it comes to a boil, we're going to want to turn off the heat. We're going to turn off the heat. We're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Just stir and incorporate. Once it's been combined, we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of finely chopped almonds. Just fold them in. Okay, and this is our cookie dough. Let's take them to our lined baking sheets. We're going to try it on parchment paper and a silicone mat because I read a recipe where they said they bake more evenly on a silicone mat. So we're going to try it today. You'll need a 1/2 tablespoon of the batter, and yes, it's only 1/2 tablespoon. And spread them at least 3 inches apart. All right, now that we have them on our pan, it's basically just to let them cool off for a minute. We're going to go preheat our oven to 325 degrees. All right, we're going to pick up each of these little pieces of cookie dough. We're going to just roll it into a little ball, put it back on the baking sheet, and then make sure, again, you're 3 inches apart.
When are those cookies going to be done?
Not for a minute, bud. All right, now that we've got them all into a ball, we're going to put them in the oven, the preheated 325 degree oven, for 8 minutes. All right, we have our cookies already completed. And I just want to make a note as well, when you put them in the oven, at 4 minutes, I flipped the pan around to balance out the heat. So around 4 minutes, just kind of flip your pan around and cook it for another 4 minutes for a total of 8. And then this is what you get. Now we have the parchment paper and the silicone mat. They're pretty similar. You can eat them by themselves, or you can put a spread in the middle of them. Just a light spread, and then smush 2 cookies together. You can melt chocolate chips and put that in the middle. Right here, I have a s'mores spread, and just smash it together gently. Okay, I'm just going to make a few of these up, and then we're going to get David in here to taste test. Got the cookie ready. Let's get David. David, let's go. Come on. Okay, we have lace cookies.
Yes. We made these a long time ago. They didn't turn out so well. It was early. It was our early days. Anyway.
It's crispy. It's caramely. It's got almonds in it.
These are not Florentine cookies. For some reason, these are going viral right now, but they're also calling them Florentine cookies. They are not Florentine cookies. You can do some Googling and look. A Florentine cookie has either nuts, bigger chunks of nuts, or dried fruit.
It also has chocolate in the center.
Correct.
Most of them.
That's not a Florentine. These are lace cookies, okay? Lace cookies has almond flour, or a really ground up almond, not whole. So anyway, just an education moment. So when you see that, you're not making Florentine cookies unless they have those items in there. But either way, they're delicious.
The cookie itself is delicious. And you can put a spread in the middle, like we did a hazelnut spread. You could do a chocolate, melting chocolate chips.
I mean, that is crazy thin.
Yeah.
Here's a stack of, they're so thin. Here's a stack of 850 cookies. That is 800. No, it's about 20 though. I mean, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's try them.
Crunchy.
Orange.
Oh yeah, I put orange zest in mine, and I also used orange blossom honey.
Oh, we like that orange blossom honey. That is good stuff. You can get that at Walmart. It's delicious. And probably Meijer or some other grocery store too.
The orange just kind of gives it a little different taste.
Oh, it is. It comes out. Good stuff.
It's good.
Really sweet.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
These will make them better.
See ya.